Hello my YouTube friends, this is Now Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2000 Toyota Tundra. I am selling this car. I'm selling the parts of this car, so somebody's coming to get the headlights. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to teach you how to remove and replace your front headlights. The ones I'm going to be doing, I am going to be doing the driver's side. And what you're going to need for this job is you're going to need a 3/8 ratchet. I'm not going to be using the 3/8 ratchet. I'm going to be using an impact gun with a long extension with a 10mm socket. So we have two bolts here, two nuts. 1, 2, and you have the bolt right here. This one right here comes with a plastic tab, something like this. Hopefully one of these will fit, and it goes right in here. This one is missing. The first thing I did was I put BB blaster on them because as you can see they are rusty. Then in the back we have the wire harness. We're going to remove that wire harness last. The first ones I'm going to remove are these two right here, and I'm going to be using my 10mm socket. Make sure you put some BB blast on them because they can be rusty and they can break. This is how they look. These two are out. Now we're going to remove the one in the top. Once you remove that, don't forget, on yours you're going to have the plastic tab in here. And once you remove that plastic tab, we have to remove this part first. Once you remove that tab, you should be able to pull this out. All we do is grab it in the side here. There you go. You have to be careful. Right here, I have to bring it down a little bit. So all you do is push this to the side, and now you're exposed to your headlight. Right in the side right here, you have another 10mm nut here. Let me put some BB blaster on there. The reason why you putting BB blaster on this is because you know, it's so rusty it can just break on you. So here we go. See how rusty it is? It's stuck in there. Now that this is all out, all you gotta do is lift it up here, right? Once you lift it up, you can pull it. And you're gonna lift it up in this side also. So now we're exposed to the wire harness. And the wire harness, it looks like you all gotta pull it or tap it in. Let's see. All you do is pull the wire harness. There it goes. Yeah, it seems like it doesn't have a tab that you gotta press, or it's broken. See how rusty this thing is? So here you go. We removed it. Now to install it, we do the same thing. Once you get your new headlight, all you do is you take your wire harness, and all you do is find how the orientation is. And all you're going to do is just push it in. Once you push it in, this part right here is going to go in right through here. And this, don't forget that this tab here, this plastic tab, on the light is gonna go here, and these other two right here, it's gonna go on this one over here. So let's get this going. So the first thing we do is right here, pick it up, go down. This is gonna go on the top. Then over here, we're gonna lift it up a little bit, and it's gonna go down. There it goes. Once it's down, now that the light is secure, we start putting the nuts back in, and this one goes here. Okay, so that's in. Now all we have to do with this light is, this is gonna go, remember this plastic has to go under here. So all we're gonna do is put this under. Once it's under, all we do is push it in. Once you push it in, you're gonna put this plastic in. And the plastic that goes in there looks something like this. And when you get it, all you gotta do is push it in. Oh, I found the right one. So that one is right in there. Now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put the screw that goes in here. There goes our screw. Make sure it's nice and secure. There you go. That one is in. Now we have to put the ones in this side. You're going to take your two nuts, put one here, the other one in the back. And that is it. You have replaced your front headlight on your 2000 Toyota Tundra. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.